Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I shall do some methods with Photoshop. And this method is to transfer the image in black and white. And I want, moreover, to keep some elements in color. So here is the original image. It's totally from Wikipedia, and this is the final results, and it's very nice. I can tell you it's a kind of effort because the contrast from color and black and white gives particular effort, very nice and very good to look. And so let's see how to do this effect. This is the final result. Of course, you want to see and to understand how it's possible to do this job. So first up, I do an image new. Let's go here, custom, and create a new image. And so I found some image from Wikipedia, and I put here. And what I do, I add this level, and I do an image trim. There we go. And so there's our image. Now what I do is to click on this adjustment layer, and I decide to use the black and white option, and as you see it transfer in black and white and appear in the properties some slide, and I can choose if I want to revert. Simply I do like this, but it's nice if I want to do to give a result some particle. I can do like this, and I can go back as I told you. And let's try to keep so, and sounds good. I don't keeping hold button pressed, and I want to, for example, to the eyes to be blue. Let's see, you see that are blue. So what I do now is to click on this square, and I press the B button to activate the brush, and I start to color, and you see that is here black and white. Press X to invert. So what it does is as a kind of mask and mask all, and you see that I'm doing like this, and there we go. If I want to understand if I did some mistake, for example, is I press 6 and I remove this extra. For example, as you can see now, it sounds very good. And I want to do the same with the eyes as we said. Now let's give a color to the eyes, like this, yeah, and like this. We see that keeps the color of the eyes. And also let's keep the hair, so, and zoom a few here, and let's try to do the same, and let's now to put the brush 26 because it's more, and let's paint more the hair. Let's put 36. So that is a few, and let's try to do like this. Yeah, let's color the hair to be in color, and let's see how it's the original. Here, for sure, some parts is missing, and let's see. Also here, Some parts are, for sure. And that seems good. This is the final effort. I think it's very nice, and you see that the hair, the lips, and the eyes are in color, but the rest is. And this is the effort. I think it's a nice effort by Photoshop. Thanks for watching.